Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes closed higher, with mega-cap growth stocks such as Alphabet and Tesla supporting a rebound in technology-heavy Nasdaq, while investors also waited anxiously for the US Federal Reserve's meeting this week. Crypto exchange OKX has ceased support for cryptocurrency trading pairs with Tether's USDT stablecoin for users based in the European Union and the European Economic Area. The exchange confirmed. Shares of Tesla jumped on Monday after the automaker announced price increases for its Model Y electric vehicles across some European countries and the United States.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's RBA rate statement will be released at 0330 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0330 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The Eurozone ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. The US housing starts at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.